Only 1% of the planet's water is both fresh and accessible. Only this amount is renewed by rainfall and is therefore a sustainable resource. During the 20th century, the Earth's population tripled, while the demand for fresh water grew six-fold. There is no more water now than there was 2,000 years ago, and what there is being degraded as a result of uncontrolled global development. What's more, 1.2 billion people do not have access to fresh water on a daily basis. And the poor quality of what they do have causes 5 million deaths each year, 10 times the number caused by wars. Our water, in addition to being scarce, is not well distributed. 20% of what we can access flows through the Amazon basin. The population of this area is, however, only 10 million. This is just one example of the many inequalities which illustrate the water problem. 2/3 of the world's population live in areas which receive only 1/4 of the planet's annual rainfall. The gap between rich and poor is never greater than when it concerns access to water. If you ask anybody in New York what they think about the water problem, the answer will probably be, what problem? But if you ask someone the same question in N'Djamena, the answer will be a 15-minute talk on how the water flows only once a day, how it needs to be stored, that it smells, and that if you drink it without boiling it first, you will most likely fall ill. But problems with water do not only derive from its scarcity. Sometimes they're caused by having too much. In Ganvi, Benin, 20,000 people live in the so-called Venice of Africa, a city made up of hundreds of wooden shacks built on top of the water.
The fires are very dangerous. Although we have water everywhere, the fire spreads quickly from roof to roof and among the wooden buildings. It's very difficult to get the firefighters to come here.